Today I'm going to prepare lunch in the rural village in Kenya. The lunch will consist of a matoke, which is green bananas, and then a goat stew and some green vegetables called managu or the black nightshade leaves. I have picked those black nightshade leaves from my kitchen garden, and I have also got the bananas from the kitchen garden. And so I shall be preparing a stew made of the goat meat, and then I shall prepare the bananas and cook them. I have already prepared the vegetables so that they'll be ready to fry very soon. I will start by frying the goat meat. Then later on, I will prepare the bananas and the vegetables, and I will be using the tomatoes and the onions and some olive oil. So let's go ahead and cook this. So I've already started to fry my meat. This is the meat stew that I am cooking right now before I cook the bananas. The bananas take a very short time to cook, and therefore you cook the meat stew first until it's ready before you start preparing the bananas. The bananas take about 15 to 20 minutes, so they should not be mashed, so it's very good to do them at the last, after you finished everything. So let's go ahead and cook.